Whoa, having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
And the first question is, as I come on in, your morning routine. I'm really I will give a little bit of context to everybody. Before we went live, David gave a very nice little 4-letter word of what his morning routine was, but I'm not going to spoil it for those tuning in. So everybody that's tuning in with us live, if you want to put your morning routine in on the comments, that would be amazing. But David, if you could be so kind, just explain to me what your morning routine looks like.
Sure, I'm not an inspirational role model for that. I wake up, I have my cup of coffee, I check in with my kids to make sure they're on their social distance, remote distance class, and then I check my emails and get to work. So I'm a bit of a late owl, and I am not exercising or doing that much in the morning.
That's okay. Interesting. So you basically just get up and go. Just get up. Kids, where are you? Are you safe? Are you in the house? Right, I'm off. Is that how it?
I'm like that bunny rabbit. Wake up and boom.
If you really want to know, I'm a morning person. It's just that circumstances in life don't really permit me all the time to make use of that morning. So I usually start my mornings relatively late as well. As those of you might have heard me before might know, I'm a Baha'i. That's a religion whose purpose is world unity, and we believe to achieve that unity we have to work on ourselves as well as the society that we live in. So as part of that, we regularly read in the mornings and the evenings just a couple of passages from the writings of the Baha'i faith. So that's what I do when I wake up, say a couple of prayers. I don't have breakfast, I only eat once a day, dinner time. So then I do some exercises, have a shower, and then get to work after that.
My morning routine is exactly the same as my afternoon routine and my evening routine is I get up in the morning, get ready, get dressed, get in front of my computer and stay there all day.
Well, I'm a bit of a sad person as well. So I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get on my phone, I check those emails from those people who want an immediate response from you, have a cup of coffee, switch the computer on, try and get a bit of space before the dogs are walked, which is like 9 o'clock in the morning for about 40 minutes. Back to the computer, get welded to this chair I've been sitting in for the last year. And here I stay. I go past lunchtime. I might eat something at lunchtime. Not eating so much in this year because of what happened at Christmas. Another dog walk in the afternoon for 40 minutes. Behind me, you probably see some exercise machines, a rowing machine and a bicycle. So nice. I get some rugby on in front of the machines in the evening, get on the rowing machine, do a bit of cycling, get back on the computer, and my wife appears somewhere in the middle of this every now and then. But she's a workaholic because she's got a photo studio and is constantly doing interior design for holiday rentals. How sad is this life? We just live holiday rentals.
Do you always ignore her when she's standing behind you?
Say again?
Do you always ignore her when she's behind you?
Thanks, Dave. You worried me. I've actually locked the door from the inside.
Whoa, having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.